What's up guys, welcome to my channel. I am back with another new video. Following the launch of the Moto G9 Plus yesterday, Motorola has now announced the budget-friendly Moto E7 Plus in Brazil. As seen in previous leaks, the new E7 Plus is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 460 chipset coupled with 4GB of RAM and 64GB of onboard storage. The device features a 5000 mAh battery and a 48 megapixel camera setup on the back. As per the listing on Motorola Brazil's website, the Moto E7 Plus features a 6.5-inch HD Plus display with a teardrop style notch and a massive chin. On the back, the device features a square camera module with two sensors and an LED flash along with a capacitive fingerprint scanner underneath. Even though it's an entry-level device, Motorola has included a 48 megapixel primary sensor on the E Plus along with a 2 megapixel depth sensor for better portrait shots. Over on the front, the device features an 8 megapixel selfie shooter. The device also features a dual SIM card tray with a hybrid micro SD card slot for storage expansion. Much like all budget smartphones launched recently, the E7 Plus includes a 3.5mm headphone jack and a micro USB port for charging and data synchronizing. As mentioned earlier, the device packs in a 5000 mAh battery with support for 10-watt wired charging. On the software front, the device runs Android 10 with a few Motorola customization on top. The Moto E7 Plus listing states that the device will be available in two color variants, navy blue and amber bronze, but the listing currently does not include any pricing and availability information. However, interested buyers can register on Motorola's website to get an alert for the pricing and availability details. So what do you guys think about this video? Let me know down in the comment section, and as always, I will see you in the next video. Till then, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so you never miss any video from my channel. Thank you.